Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my everyday drugstore makeup look for the fall and winter time. All the products that I used were pretty much drugstore besides one, and that was my Anastasia contour stick. That's the only product that I used, but of course you guys can always find, another product that's a drugstore. One that I do have is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, but for some reason while I was doing my makeup I picked up my Anastasia just because I'm so used to using it, but I didn't want to lie to you guys about what I used to contour, so that was the only product that I used to contour that was not drugstore. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm just going to use this to prime my face. I already did my brows and prime my eyes off camera because, everybody does their brows and primes their eyes differently. So I just do mine off camera. But I'm just going to use this to hydrate my skin because, as you guys know, during the colder months I do tend to get dry, super dry. So now for foundation, I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and what I'm going to do is take my sponge, and you want to make sure that it's damp because I do like to further blend out my foundation with a sponge, but I am going to apply it directly to my face and blend it out with my Morphe M439 buffing brush. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, and this is in the shade Truffle. So for concealer today, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 36. So I went ahead and set my face using my Airspun loose face powder, and this is the original formula. And now I'm just going to set the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Okay, and this one is in the shade Warm Sun. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using my E.L.F. finishing powder in the shade Dark Deep and my MAC 109 brush. So now for bronzer, I'm going to take my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soliel. And I'm just going to use this to bronze up my skin just a tad bit because right now I'm looking very washed out. For blush, I'm going to use my, I think this is a Ruby Kisses, if I'm not mistaken, blush in the shade Shimmer Mocha. I've been using this one for years. It's so pretty. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M105 brush to place a little bit of this on the cheeks just to give me, you know, some life. You know, during the winter and fall time, we tend to look a little, you know, matte and like, you know, not lively. For highlight, I'm going to use my E.L.F. highlighter, and this one is in the shade Moonlight Pearls. I haven't used this in so long, and I'm going to apply this on my nose using the Morphe. Ooh. I know I see a 1/6, I don't know, but it's a pencil brush. And I'm just going to use this to apply highlighter to my nose. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Sigma Tapered Highlight Brush. This is the F35 brush and the same highlighter. And now to set my face, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So because this is a more everyday look, I don't feel like the need to wear a lot of eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is take one of my face powders. This is the E.L.F. powder in Dark Deep. And my Morphe M518 brush, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease as well as on my lids. So off camera, I decided to go ahead and do my mascara and lashes. Now, I don't know what's going on with my eyes, but on camera, one of them is looking almond shaped and the other one is looking round. But you know what? It does not look like that in person, so I just really don't know. But for my lips, I'm using my Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this one is in the shade Coco. And then I'm going to take my NYX lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And then to top that off, I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. and that is just like the perfect everyday lip to me. It's very neutral and very like cute, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, all the products that I use will be down below in the description box, so check that out, and I will see you guys, of course, in my next video. Bye guys.